This is Brian Schwartz from selfpublished.org. Normally, I'm a big fan of using Google Docs to create your book. It usually allows us to retain a lot of the MS Word formatting if a client doesn't have the latest version of Word or they need an editor to take a look at it. So we actually took this file from Word into Google Docs, and the client did a bunch of editing. But we ran into an issue when I went to normally do what I would do, which is download a Microsoft docx file. So let me show you what happened here. So this is the file right here that I downloaded. And you notice it's been formatted into 8.5 by 11. So if I go to, first thing I would normally do is I go to layout, paper size, and I would change this to 6 by 9. But no matter what I did with the paragraph styles or anything else, I kept getting this error message and it would not let me change the size of the paper or the book. And we need this to be a 6 by 9. So I thought we were dead in the water until I found the solution. So it's kind of strange, but what you need to do is you go to columns, go to more columns, and click on one, and just leave everything default, but change this to whole document, and click OK. So now we can go to layout, paper size, and we can change this to 6 by 9. We can change this for the whole document, and voila! Fixes the little frustrating issue, and we can go about and fix the styles and do what we need to do with this book. In fact, that was the other thing that happens oddly with this document was the styles fell out, which hadn't happened in the past. But at least we did get the footnotes and retained, so we'll convert these to endnotes and we'll continue on. But generally, that's what I wanted to share. Have a great day.